499726 gose 0704765412 Wigo nabugututalira ase chabizi cheto imiyo muchomusongo asamagacho auru towers milongo litangani mbarabali na AM Taylor gose ebengi ya Kenya Women kimya obunchilibwa ona Getembe TV rero Getembe Television Network ikinekeunga kya mamagusi esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igeko kwarigania ase intake y'umutinyo gatano eyu ebwata chikosi na Agricultural and Environment Studies aziba kwiga Agricultural and Extension mbwate course ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering aziba kwiga Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na Wigo nkwiga bale Plumbing, Masonry, Building Technology, Civil Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics mkwege dibali ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering mkwege dibali Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology mkwege dibali Hairdressing wigo mbwate Fashion Design mkwege dibali Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production wigo mbabate course ya Driving kuchi asibali bonsi baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Samaria tane ngoro kwa James Barare Nyakundi, principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College. College ito igere ya serikali agosomia abana courses cy'ubugundi asama ngane school fees ya serikali njayira netinse na kero mwana ko report ebese ikera abenga ya mokongeire nabo mwana agoja neri abwate enke umwana nainde ngwancherwale asabe kibasa kya serikali akirito kuruka government scholarship ekyabana bago apply ekikero omwana ole school ago apply onyora nekibasa kine kikomokonya ase akomenya esandagera akogurwa na bintu binde biraganirwa ase school abana nkonyora bare constituency bursaries uno mubungo Kitutu Masaba constituency Honorable Clive Gisairo neruwete sana kokonya abana barukurwe constituency yaye nande nko bakanira alekero umwana nkanyora ale kibesa ekyogosoma nande natotebetinga mwana onde wense goche skuru apply loan nkonyora ale karibu sana Kitutu Masaba elinde tuegero bubundi bachagotokonya asama tukagocha biyamona
asamange yabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga kusi obakirisi nigutara kinamba cyabo 0743480999 kusi 0782490068 ninjolero eyubwenyorero bumanyi ubumurabo konye asubagima obumakiaya.
Wairabia marago bengi mwanchu muligereria ndonsi atsoto bwaterete ase Jumatano ya vene yechitariki isato asomutienyi ogatano nomo karibu sana ase kionga chinsa ibere na mange aberega kwenekigwa korwa chinsemo egati yabo nigo chiskuru chinyinge chigendrete kubwata umuriro egento kigendrete koleta mubulia mange asa baibuli aborokia no boiga aborokiwa nonyo no gwika ase wizara yechisemi egati yanda mange ayina bere kwariganiria ase emarago bayabono karibu sana nabwo genda gutubwatia ase mitandao yetu ya Facebook nabwo YouTube na Getembe TV elikwenekia nko ya nyorore ase nchira ereyo boikirano nigo tukubwaterana nere Vanessa Nyaboke kurugalia sensemo yebimanyererio na inchengo ko yaletera nigo nkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto isaranso ike elionkomanye ase nchirere eyo boikirano. gochakari muri okomwanchumo ligereria nigo omulero mutindi obagukubwata enyumba yoboraro yeskuru yabanyaruka ya Masosa eyo gotoka imeye ward ya Nyamaiya imeye county ya Nyamira kulende ase gwikabono ekikyaba kegochakia omulero yu getaraba gekomanyikana muri ke tufatgad Gisemba na koletaro gwika ase skuru eyo nabono nigo agotochakirie keunga chinsa ibere ase encherere eyo gwikirana.
Nigo yabo mwichano manene ase skuru ya sekondari ya Masosa eye gotoka ward ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirango maiga ye nyumba y'uburaro yaborokiwa abanyaruka kubwatwa omurero na kuirera asara enene
ekare twatana omurero omonke twata makuri yenchera yo kunurimya twanyora abana barumbero abana b'eskuru bacha barita kindo twachaka ko siara manchichi amabati igoro nande ko somo runtrani mana wikara bono yara kini ko terkana nestima na ndo na machiko bira domu yenere congested yenchera get kuru ya sara yanyo rene abana abangi bono yaba kwati bakorare abana abangi matres ya yire gaiga nande bono popati no nini babakobera mbara wabo te bitabu na moko ngire liga na mwaso maiga na lechi anga jiriba bwati bari gutumia bono nchiyo mfaiti ke ngende kya yese domu so vanti mati sabana bara jote baende kabachiko ko yebi abazimwa bayitonera expression y'umuzimwe wekenureke nagwe na tacho yatu ikiange igoti gatusabe na baro watu bayende kwa tuarege tuwaiga na bantu bose pi irinde bakigaiga barayeto intaje kulikwa abantu bayina namasomo ene
kurengana na baibori na boigo abanyakenyoro ba Masosa nigo bairera bana tibara manyabuya eki kyairera omuriro yo ase boigo batumeka chinga kecho na gusaba abarai aho weso na nigati na kubakonya ebintu aho eryo aborokiwa beskuru eyo bagenderere na masomo na botambe.
Muwasaidie watoto wanalia sana huko. Watu wamekuja kwa wingi, wamezima wazima moto wamechelewa juu ya bofu wa barabara, wamekuja late. Tafadhali Steve Moraka, tunakusii MCA wetu, tunakusii saidia watoto wanalia sana. Sasa hatujui kama wanafunguliwa waende nyumbani ama wanakaa aje. Msikie kilio cha shule.
Tumeteseka kwa hii shule. Hii shule tulianzisha kama watoto wachache tu, lakini sasa imekuwa na kama imekuwa imesaidia watoto ya Kenya, lakini makosa iko school fees inaongezwa, sijui serikali inaongeza. Hii shule hii school fees ni nyingi, imeshinda wazazi kulipa. Watoto wakiingia namna hii wanaambiwa rudi kwenda maliza ile balance yako.
Kubatikana nugwa kwa uko kwa murero ase skuru yeiga ya Masosa nigo emagoroba ya rero aba obisa kurasi abisi yo mubunge o West Mugirango Musike Steven Mugaka babwatukire obokonyi bw'ebirarero
Tangoro ku Samson Mayaga ninjo mu manager we constituency ito ya West Mugirango iga igongukwa na kurwase skuru ya Masosa buna abaminto mwaigwa skuru ya Masosa yanyora obokongu ase ng'enzi y'ogusambirwa edom y'abaana abanyaruka ekero twaigwa amang'ana ayo chisa kiandaiga twakera omweshimiwa waitu oyorenge National Assembly twamwakiresimu twamweresa ng'a eskuru yaitu ya Masosa yaire kero twamwakera through NTCDF ototomire iga nechimatres emiyeyemo nainye ototomire namarangeti emiyeyemo na nane nainde ototomire nechipea chechishit chiri abana bakwebisia chipea emiyeyemo nainye
chingaki echecho ni bamentre ayaiga
yonta gitebana twa nyoli chimatres 104 na marangeti 108 nechishit igonda gete kuira libageri galia bene kumuira neliyo muchumbo ito mubakile Steven Mugaka kuya muno sana sencho yega singi yakolire iyira agera abana b'eskuru ya Masosa bagenda nka eliyo gutemenya masomo abo bono igo baguchikogenderera n'amasomo ayo kogenderera tukumwira n'ingombe ya muno sana mwashimiwa kandi turugusaba Nyasaye agokonye kintu cyonse kogenderere gokorera cyiyingiya
Hingo ripota Getembe koraiga skuru ya sekondari ya Masosa yegotoke wodi ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirange kaunti ya Nyamira. Jeff Atigad Yesemba.
Biyamona sana umurike tufatga digisemba hase orobo tiuru mchumo ligerelia nebikole bigendrete koleta ogoichanyo konene anene gweta ase skuru kolende nigo toleno kwigena nigo ebitambukiro bya bwango birachiko imokiwa elikweneke bikole byo birigo chikogendera comment kana mono ase skuru otogo tigana nayo nagosoa ase ewizara yobochenu Umuwaziri bobochenu musike Eden Duale nigo abeire kagote babuna nigo quarantine gose nigo ebituo byechi quarantine ya Ebola birachikwaga aiga sense ya Kenya anene a sense moya Nanyuki ime county ya Laikipia ukwana litukolera kurwa sebunge niga abeire kagote babuna nigo ebituo ebyo birachigokonya aso gotinya obwamate gati yense ya Kenya amonense ya America.
And Honorable Speaker, under the Public Health Act, we don't need to do public participation. We are not going to consult citizens. Even members of parliament here, when they fall sick, they rush to their doctor to make sure they get the best treatment. So this epidemic does not require any consultation. Tomorrow, God forbid, if Ebola is found in this country, this house will call me back here to this chair to ask me why are Kenyans dying. So before Kenyans die, before Kenyans are infected, we as a government have a moral, constitutional responsibility to protect both Kenyans and other people who are non-Kenyans who live within our border or who transit within our country. Honorable Speaker, on Laikipia Air Base is one of the 23 quarantine isolation center we are building, and we will not stop it. Why we are building? We are building in the airbase, far from even, and there are a number of reasons why. The runway in Laikipia is one of the longest runway. That is where we have KDF medical team. That is why even our 450 Kenyans who are serving today under the UN, our special forces, the quick response unit. I'm the speaker, I was a minister for defense. I went to Ituri. I know all those areas. Those who have gone to Lumumbashi. Kenyans, the biggest hospitals in DRC are run by Kenyans, are owned by Kenyans. So we must protect, Mr. Speaker. So Laikipia will protect both Kenyans and the US. Honorable Speaker, when we had the COVID, and some of us were members of parliament here, the UN, the US, and many other international bodies built a hospital in Nairobi Hospital, a UN specialized hospital to deal with COVID. There was no noise that time. We have a responsibility to protect the
let him respond.
Honorable Speaker, on what the Secretary of State Mark Rubio said, that if it was said by the Minister, the Secretary of Health, I will respond. But I think that is an area for diplomats. The best person to respond to this House is the PCS.
Ekeroto tigaretega bumwanchumu ligerelia nigo abarai au anene abaseneta korwa anenomo seneta korwa se county ya Nairobi umusike Edwin Sifuna na boigo na barai au abajumbe au baikirana ase bunge litkulia lero nigo babiri bagweso kiana kubulia serikali enyareko bakegutugutirale ekerengerelie kigyo kwa gacha ebituo byechi quarantine anene ebya Ebola aiga sense ya Kenya asabatebire nigo biko chikobeka amagima ya bakenya asara Kongo kubwatekana nebinyinyi byo batebire birachikwambukira abakenya bange na kubeka magimabo asali a Kongo.
The concerns that Kenyans are raising about this Ebola facility in Nanyuki is actually a valid concern. We have proposed to the President that instead of us transferring patients from DRC to come and receive treatment here, I think that the US government should grow the capacity of the DRC itself to ensure that that disease does not leave the borders of the DRC, and all of us will be safe, Honorable Speaker. If the money that has been pledged towards this project is given to President Tshisekedi, he should be given that money for him to be able to put up those centers there and be able to contain Ebola within their borders, although now we are hearing reports of even deaths in Uganda, Honorable Speaker.
The world is discussing serious issues about the Ebola outbreak. Speaker, this House should take note that a number of public hospitals in Kitui, actually if not all of them, patients are sharing beds. Speaker, things can never get worse than they are today. There are times that we are grappling, the world is grappling with ways of stopping and preventing the spread of Ebola. Now, patients in hospitals in Kitui are sharing beds. At times, actually 3 patients in one bed. Mr. Speaker, that should not be allowed to continue. That should not be allowed to continue, the Speaker, because
Ekero togo tigana na yo mwanchumo ligereria ayo ya Ebola na gukoira ase kiunga liboriri tukuria rero ine aye umwanchumo ligereria ngo itabera nole gosengwa nchira nole ne serikali enyare ko bage kwagacha ebituo bya quarantine aiga sense ya Kenya anene ekero bono abakenya bange bagenderete gupinga gose bagenderete kwamereria ebirengereria bibya serikali koleta quarantine aiga sense ya Kenya aye buno mwanchumo ligereria ngo itabera nole ne birengereria byo koletwa aiga sense ya Kenya elio Ebola gose bituo bya quarantine bichukwagachwa igalia sensemo ya Laikipia elikuwa nekibuna abarwaire bali bense ya America mbachikoletwa na kugachwa aiga sense ya Kenya sanga nintwe ebirengereria byago asenambe yuregabo screen na kubwa mono nabo kulika ebirengereria byago wetera sensemo ye mitandao ya Facebook na boigo YouTube ninchiko bietera sege kagetari getambe elikonekia ngosanga tole naye yemo seyemo aiga ase studio togo tigana nayo na kugendera ase oroboti ronde abari oni go bagenderete gusanga ebirengereria byabo anene kubwatekana no gosamba wechi skuru okwaberego koenekigwa ase chinsemo aiga sense ya Kenya ase litukulia lero omujumbe webunge ya Kitutu Church South omusike Anthony Kibagendi amo na baraibande babere bagwesokia na kugikeria ebikorebwe ase nonye nabo babere bakubolia igotwara umusimamo anenekero bagokora siasa cyabo nonye nabo nigo babiri bakumwakire koko oyorenge gosoyore omukonyi bwekyama ya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i asebatebire nigo arachikoleta maunchurire manene aiga sense ya Kenya muri kito dipo nasanya otwaleganira roboti oruo asenchirere eyobwikirana
Nechingaki liberera litindi ligenderete konekigwa anene ase skuru kubwatekana na osira kwa magima yaborokigwa na boigo gosambwa wechi skuru ingana bono abaraya bange bagenderete komerekera asokubolia abaibuli gokwanira abana babo mujumbe ukitutu Church South mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi ukwana yaiga ni meye wodi ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya Kitutu Church South asomuliga bwebirero bwokumwenia Festus Musirigwa oyole mumuro mwabo omumanager bwe constituency ya Kitutu Church South Dennis Nyangwara.
Mental health. We have challenges with mental health of our young people, and we are asking parents, we are asking the church, we are asking teachers, let us work together to ensure abana baito akiba atwalire discipline. Discipline mbasamba chiskuru onye wale basambira abamu abo asobo kongubole wacha watoto waweze kuja kujitokeza nje wazungumze na administration ya shule yao, wazungumze na viongozi wao ili maneno yao yaweze kutatuliwa. Watoto wasiende wakafanya maandamano ama wakachoma shule zao, hiyo inaharibu mambo ya nidhamu. Kwa hivyo tunarudisha pole sana kwa wazazi na jamaa na marafiki wa wale watoto ambao waliaga.
Gukwane birebyo oyo kuriye kirogo kyobo MCA imeye ward ya Kitutu Central Josephat Sungura ngoboigo arwe birengerero byaye anene byo kuburia barayi ebiroge bige anene byo bo MCA abasayina barobugotigerwa
kuma etekero kyobo MCA abono teto kukoria bakitiga abasayina intujo stogo kihabone gato egwikero geke egatumanya what is administration egarake widoso chigoro kwanyaranga ki na into twazuke ebye usero onde kwansore tutamo inkagochi ejo atakabanye kumaye astandi 2017 kitwakora ikina lengo mondo karake ikina lengo mondo mpaka ngakoriri chikora kwa rekoni sauce obateranga ngwanita ayebono kwa gambe dauta 3 tam ituli toja twaso bana
ngaki echecho omwe MCA Kitutu Central dio kinyarango iganyora chingaki tinkongu anene chyo kweresa asenkwana yaye ingana yarolekana chingaki alikumwakire koko omugavana we county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simbarati
Pero con para, pegamos la yale, pero con la amache, pegamos la yale, no pasa leo konga. Bona leo ninataka kukuambia wewe ndugu yangu Duke. Hakuna kukaa katikati. Either uko na Matiang'i ama uko na Ruto. Sababu unafuatana na yeye. Uchunge sana. Uchunge sana. Usebo nombo wengo kwana. Na itwe kera twanyolire mori ya ito ya chakire gotire kuruku Matiang'i. Twanja abantu bamukoretete. Mwanja abantu bamukoretete.
Omwe ryoje nigabange bagendera kumwakire koko Dr. Fredo Kengo Matiang'i nakubulia bagusigo chamo aso kumusira kuriye kerogo kiburayi bense.
Esa abantu bari bonse pibaregaria. Ingo moroche ubwate managerial skills oranyare gosukia ense yetu go to the next level.
Matiang'i igo omugusi omugima sabe tabana ba Yesu Kristo abana bo monene bahatebira omuntu babwate gato kuna Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i aso omuntu tanga nitwe chimudango ko mwezi mwake kibageni ga kia bana baminto onyeme uketari korora bone wese ko buri bagoteba Matiang'i baka batari kuigwa akingo nti ukiyoroche
William Ruto.
Pega segwadi ya Kitutu Central, ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South, ili nenkoro kwa Dipon. Asanya.
Byamana sana umurikito Dipon Asanya asogotwariganiria oroboti orutogo sukabosyo ekyombe yokorwania obokurumi kya EACC meya Kisii orosagia Rwanyanza umubasolero nigo bamubeka bya Radio Simon Onyari uyorenge osore umuriki bwe bunge ye county ya Nyamira asokwebwaterania amone bikole byobokurumi asogosira wechibesa kire shilingi $1 million ekyo kyalenge kyokoroisia kya BCJ bunge ye county ya Nyamira. Omoteneneri wekyombe egya EACC asorosagerwa Nyanza Alfred Mwachuga nigabereka gotebabuna abakagerwa abo nigo bale 5 asegwikira rero nigo babere bakubekwa byara Duke Onyari arachiwekiwa bosibwe kigambero aboli tuko lya ankyo.
My name is Alfred Mwachuga. I'm the regional manager of South Nyanza Regional Office of EACC. Now, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission received a report that alleged irregular procurement and award for the construction of an office block to Jetta Building Limited by the County Assembly of Nyamira. So investigations were done, and we had established that the County Government of Nyamira, County Assembly of Nyamira, recommended the award of the tender to the company known as Jetta Builders, which was not the lowest evaluated bidder. This actually amounted to conferring of a benefit of 30,817,396 to Jetta Contractors Limited. So upon investigations and conclusion of investigations, we forwarded our investigation file to the Director of Public Prosecution, who upon review approved charges on the following persons. 1, Mr. Duke Simon Onyari, who is the clerk, Nyamira County Assembly. Mr. Leonard Kevin Nyamasege, who is the deputy clerk, stroke director, finance and accounts. Mr. David Nyarango Ombego, who is the deputy clerk, stroke director, legal services. Ms. Joyce Oyengo, who is the director, monitoring, evaluation and evaluation development at Nyamira County Assembly. Engineer Josephat Martini Oruru, who is the Chief Officer, Roads and Public Works, Nyamira County Government. Mr. Eric Onguti Ayuka, who is the Infrastructure Officer. And finally, Mr. Simon Ondari Ogecha, Infrastructure Officer. One of the suspects was arrested on 19th March and arraigned in court in Nyamira. So today, we managed to arrest the clerk who has been on the run. They have gone to several courts seeking anticipatory orders. They have actually been trying to avoid the court process, but as we normally say, serikali na nini ina mkono mrefu. So we managed to arrest him today. We are processing him, and tomorrow we will be arraigning him in court. And therefore, I want to urge the other suspects, okay, the other 5 suspects who are remaining, to present themselves to EACC for processing, for them to be arraigned in court accordingly. That's what I can tell you for today. You're welcome.
Yamateyemo kurwa ase kinyoro kia botaranda imeye eberege magenche niwe yaberege gutia amakweli magega yenyumba bamenyete yabeire kegotongiwa ase chintunda isato naboigo egetambokero kende gyonsi kiyo kyaberege kuimukiwa gochia ase abakageru abo abunonye nabo bataramanyikana nonye nabo nigo babeire bagotababuna nigo babeire bakoligia obokonyi kolende egento goikabono bataraba bakonyora ogosirwa ase keribuna nigo provincial administration babeire bakwibachera engani yumurikito Gilbert Kobe norobotiuru asowekerano
Emusanano nigo yane kiwe imeye kenyoro kia butaranda eberege magenche meya umachoge bwa borobu ase omochia bayomo utaranya ko bagukonyora morembe ase ngakintambe bono mengwana n'abanyakenyoro b'ensemi ya butaranda nekema ene buna umurembe tonya gutuka ase omochio yiga wetera no gusambwa bw'ikinyomba tari ntundemo tari ibire gusa isato
tarehe 15 umutienyi 12 last year 2025 nyomeje karichiai na jete nga report police kana report police na ande na chire police bwiri tageta abantu abo babwatu basambete muchioyo tindikonyora bokonyi bonde bwensi
omwaka bwo muchioyo iga amoni amote yae nigo bagoteya buna eyete intunde ntanga ni kinyomba cyabo kikunyara ko bakigosambwa n'abantu bamanyire nabo yokurwa se ensemeyo
muchaete muna muchaete ga koimuko chiche buruburu kerata iyo ekenyoro kerebuya lakini kerarororo ekerachire yabwateta abantu mbali aba abwatete kere ekenyoro kegima
konengana barabwo aba n'abantu bamanyire nekenyoro abago kinyomba cyabo karo kigusambwa nigo bakunyara kwa kubasikira kurusiko bachako barutamagana ekaro batatu ko urigyo bokonyi
muna bako muigwera machiko ono netochikora meka abana bararameka somugambi muntu tayo koigweka ebagota ebunga nabwe ejine ne kwende barenge namamocho babwate ono bachikoboria mamochayi abora
egokorwa kiabwango iga nokugania ko basambira nyumba omugako yoiga amo no munginoye basiekeire nyumba nabo igo karo bataka goyotera asetirisa bakanya koro wagoitwa namagena irimba yarko wagosoka bayire nyumba
chakianda chiabutuko natemete gukura katenga chiguyigoro enyombo murangu kanyambekire chabikurusiko nekeburi kebekire kerongo sokera ngatema gusuki ibintu byarengetisa nkanyora nsingire roro lakini ngatema rende umukungu atangana gosoka nanje ngamanya gosoka nande kerongo soka nganyora abantu babire balishika basaja bakoma chama genangira na nyomba lakini ngatema gwekonya kabaro tinasokire bakamenyoka bakande bituma ime bakagenda
oteneneri wa provincial administration ime asensemi yombo arenge ange korwa oroboti na maereso igoro yanki banyako bakora erigo konye amateye iga
na chire police bwiri tageta abantu abo babwatu basambete muchioyo tindikonyora bokonyi bonde bwensi kana igire police bakonduta na iga bambuli chibesa chinyinge echibesa timbu atia kare bintu byana byayete bikaera
ono gusaba kwe amateye nkurianga oteneneri wa provincial administration nabo igo bori bwa DCI bonyako bo gwesokya korwa omaereso ekora banyako bagwa kachiro boti
bagambi na abatebiri bagontemba bwati uweso bona asinyo nanja sengo tamauchi ekera bambate mbabwati ogweso ngenda sabasikali bateba chirecord chimbe chitomire gocha asibale njikubateye record ichi chitomire gocha asibale record ki bantebire no muchandike ningi akarango nyagusambulio karioka
mateiganige ebwato gosemeria buna kende gyonsi gichinyona ko bage gokorwa ilibanya ko bagotwara omuremba asorwa ngurira bateregatame kurwa se ekenyoro kya butaranda eberege magenche meya machoge bwa burabu marita nenje Gilbert Kobi.
Biamani sana umuleketo Gilbert Kobi aso gutwariganiria oroboti oru korende tokwenda aso mutimokomoke ase kiunga chinsa ibere korende kero inkwira na kurwa so mutimokomoke ninchibwetera chujumbe chago ali sensemo ya Facebook na boigo YouTube na boigo wetera ase SMS ase namba ere screen yawo igabo ase liboli eli tuko lialenge ine ayabunu mwancho muligereria ngo itabera nore ne quarantine wasere bituo bie quarantine binyare ko babi kwagachwa aiga sense ya Kenya anene bono ekere serikali ya tebire nigo birachi kwagachwa ase chinsa mochena nyuki imeye county ya Laikipia ngoitabera nore ne birengererie byo sanga na intwe nginkorwa asomutimo komoke ninchiko bietera byonsi korende gendera gutwara oborigereri borobya tobasa goskare.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake y'umutinyo gatano EU ebwata chikosi buna Agricultural and Environment Studies asiba kwiga Agricultural and Extension mbwate course ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering asiba kwiga Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na boigo mkwiga bale Plumbing, Masonry, Building Technology, Civil Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics mkwigedi bali ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wego na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering mkwigedi bali Electrical Installation na wego Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology mkwigedi bali Hairdressing wego mbwate Fashion Design mkwigedi bali Food Production yani Cookery na wego Food and Beverage Production wego mbabate course ya Driving kucha sibali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Samari atane ngoro kwa James Barare Nyakundi, principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College. College ito igere ya serikali bagosomia abana courses cy'obubundi asama ngane school fees serikali njayira netinse na kero mwana ko report ebese ikera abenga ya mokongeire nabo mwana goja neri abwate enke umwana nainde ngwancherwale asabe kibasa kya serikali akirido kuruka government scholarship ekyabana bago apply ekikero umwana ule school ago apply onyora nekibasa kine kikomokonya ase akomenya esandagira akogurwa na bintu binde biraganirwa ase school abana nkonyora bale constituency bursaries uno mubungo Kitutu Masaba constituency Honorable Clive Gisairo neruwete sana gokonya abana barukurwe constituency yaye nande nko bakanira alekero umwana nkanyora ale kibesa ekyogosoma nande natotebetinga mwana onde wense goche skuru apply loan nkonyora ale karibu sana Kitutu Masaba elinde tuegero obubundi ochagotokonya asama tukagocha biamon
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga kusi obakirisi ni gutras chilamba cyabo 0743480999 kusi 0782490068 ninjolero eyubwenyorero bumanyi ubumurago konye asubugima obumakiaya. Dalira Busungu Medical Center igoba bwato bukoreri aho buno mbawate pharmacy iyubata mariogo onsi mbawate lab department asibakulingoria amarwire au babwato bukoreri bwa ICU ulia bwa theater guse radiology mbabwato bukoreri bwa oncology ukora bari dialysis mbabwate emergency wing na wigo amarigania buna yeguru asiboigo babwate maternity wing igati obukoreri bundu bunge nigo bagotoka sebara ya Kisii, Kisumu, Migori imeyumuchiriga omuzungu asamange bakirisi bigwetera siki namba cyabo 0111964576 gose 0742328552.
Karibu nando mwanchumu ligerelia elio ngendere gukumanya ase keunga chinsa ibiri kurwa se bunge ya North Mugirango ense mogete ya banasiasa kurwa ase bunge yo ya North Mugirango nigo litgolera gose kurwa se bunge ya Kitutu cha North gusabo kwa biru mwanchumu ligerelia ime county ya Kisii nigo babaire bakugikiria ebikole ao bya banasiasa wesokia ase birero bya matanga na guturubania embirerebyo ase kisababu bagokora siasa cyabo ekentu batebire buna nigo okugani koraroro wokubwaterana elio kwene kibuna ebisiasa ntirigo kigokorekana asa matanga gukona sebirero ime yatambacha ime yewadi yake gogi umubasobweri tukolya rero abarayabo bakoragunere James Atandi nigo chinga kicho babere bakubolya abo bisabo botuki kuimukya ebitambukiro wocyase bali bonsi bagukikubwateranirwa hamwe n'ebikole byo guturubania emeyega ya matanga muri keto Daniel Ontiri na roboti ruwa asobwikirana
etabauti nemega yende yebiriro yarekana guturuanigwa na banasiasa ase sub county ya Marani ase biriro bya rero mayigo baretamo abaronere batatu bekerego kyobujumbe ase Kitutu cha North me county ya Kisii nigo barekana gutware kerenge kemo kyogutwara watohererwa ase mega yabanyene bananonye bagwikirina ase gutema kurigere chikura ase rengo yabo ya gisiasa ambaye umwana siasa James Atandi Dr. Timothy Arege mwana wakili Joshua Makori Nyerenchi asomoyego rero nigo bagikiria bororo ebikore byabere byekoenekirwa kurwa samatuka magika na komenta buna chinga kicheikire baria baguturwa nemega ya matanga babwenete koimukarigwa egetambo kerege tindi kiri chiko.
Kama polisi muko hapa na chief muko hapa, tumeanza kuwa shida Kitutu chache North kwa sababu ya goons kupiga watu matanga, na iwapo hizi vitu hazitakoma na sisi tuanze kusukuma hii, hatutakuwa na inji. Wale watu wanapiga watu wengine, hakikisha mnachukua hatua ili tuwe na amani.
Asense mwende wonsi abaiga ni kuba moko boko Dr. Fred Matiang'i asiganga yokolige kora ensi ya Kenya asobo chori banene bure usio baburia bwego kubwatesigwa hasi chindoto cyabo gesiasa
2027 nikoligitole chikura cyobo chumbe ekera after 5 years chikurangwa kuchire kuliginde chikura cyobo chumbe korwe chama ya Jubilee no tole no mwana minta Arege mwana minto Nyarenchi. We are going to agree olioyo motogo chora lero kugenda mutwe elinda tumulio ronka maambi saa 12
jenindire ile kero cy'ubujumbe 2027 gorige kero ile cyabo Kitutu cha North ainde ndaitenda bega abantu baminto asemoko genda sabere nse yaito gere bobe abakali ko toletere bola Kenya ito kumiti bubiro bubu itabanta abantu bagutamana bakoreta muligere libuya musoyera inyengiya mubwati sio yo minto okengo Matiang'i to yasebe mugusibale egare to kolega sibile wendete na ndenda to tanga kisemiche itu chiasalikire semiche itu bana mbali go etabu na batakire go eta
bali bausikanite kararengereria magana ejisem ni gonko ryekeruki obuchumbe 2027 igakituri cha North bashukuru yena arete uniform abantu bake gokini budget sana na school ga uniform
aiga ni gagocha chinga kyomoyego yomo bwa matanga oturubani gwa omochakano bweikiga asensemo ya Nyaboroba imeyego dia sensi egento bono kiagechi abange na kongose birengerero ao kwerera abande koligia gukana bana siasa asibirero byabo na monaiga kitutu cha North nyite bali gochugotwara omochoko chingaki bakwerigere chikura hanalia nkurubo terega taseni kiagetembe korega tambaja imeyo dia kigogia se county ya Kisii literane nguruko Daniel Wontiri.
Byemana sana umurikito Daniel Ontiri haso gutwariganiria oroboti uruto kwirana county ya Nyamira omugavana we county y'Umuske Amos Kimuminyaribu nigo abereka gotebabuna nigerebuya abasaye korwa chinsemo ao anene korwe county yo kwebwatirania asama igiriye kerero gosege digitali buna enchereyemo yo kwegendereria hasa magimabo gukwana korwa asikia bisi serikali yo litukulia rero nigo abereka gotebabuna nigerebuya basaye bonsi kwebwatania ase emirimo ya kidijitali hase keribuna nige emirimo yaberege kubura aiga sense ya Kenya na gwetera ase emirimo gose gwetera sama egeria yo nigo barachigwe konya nonye naso kwenyorera engere yabo ya keralituko.
ICT is a course in itself which is the most expanding area in the world. Sasa, as a government, you have heard it in my speech, we'll be expanding these colleges. This digital learning should go to the people where they are. And through our budget, we are going to look at institution of learning in each sub-county so that we can create a class there for our youth to learn. Because that's the way to go. Whether you are a doctor, whether you will be engineer tomorrow, there will be always a space for digital. Even consultation has gone digital. So it's good you have graduated. And it's up to you now to manage yourself because ours is over. But if you need more support, do not hesitate. We want to form you as an academy. An academy. Emily, we request all these people to join an academy so that we can monitor their progress and we can also be picking their requirements. We give them support until they start on their own.
Naboigo umuwaziri w'ekinguru cy'umuriro aiga sense ya Kenya Muskopio Wandai nigabereka gotababuna abakenya bonsi babasa gutwara obwoba kubwatekana gose asekeribuna nigorigori eliestima litachigukina ase mu Kenya ondi bwensi gukona lichukulia rero nigabereka gotababuna nonye nabo nigo ligori ya mafuta litarakina aiga sense ya Kenya asabereka gotababuna nige serikali egendrete kubekumukia elikone kibuna abakenya bonsi gutwara bale obogima.
Now, the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum wishes to inform the public that following consultations within government and engagement with key stakeholders in the sector, the retail electricity tariff review application that was submitted on the 31st of March this year by KPLC on behalf of the sector has been withdrawn. Now, this decision reflects the need to buttress a sustainable energy sector while protecting households, businesses, and industries from possible cost escalation. It aims to support economic growth, safeguard livelihoods, and create jobs. The ministry wishes to clarify that under the Energy Act, both at Section 11, Section 165, Subsection 3 and Subsection 7, for your information, any review of electricity tariffs is subject to a clear legal and regulatory process. This includes, first and foremost, the submission of an application for the review to EPRA, technical evaluation, stakeholder consultations, and public participation before any tariff adjustment can be considered or approved. And now, following the withdrawal of the application, the current retail electricity tariffs shall remain in force and unchanged unless otherwise lawfully reviewed in accordance with the Energy Act and applicable procedures. The withdrawal of the application does not in any way affect the continued delivery of electricity services. Consumers and businesses, wherever they are, should continue to enjoy uninterrupted access to electricity under the current tariff structure.
Mwanchumo ligereria narayikorwa sekiunga chinsa ibere asobotuko bwalero kulendekero nyuma ntarakora ekiunga chinsa ibere kubwatekana nelibolirie lituko ndochenga bange bagendrete kusanga ebirengereri byabo wetira sensemo SMS abo asena mbere screen yabo naboigo wetira asensemo ye mitandao Facebook, YouTube naboigo TikTok ekero ligereria chi SMS ange ibere isatoiga abakenya nabenge nchomono kubwa chibesa uyo nigakorukunga Pastor Masomi korwa Sige Sonso Elijah Makoli kurwakira PAG Nyacheki agotebanga gakiruto tigatige gotogorera Ebola. Trump eragakana abantu baeti bairwaroro bakurwara atebirenga yayapi mbacha aiga ense ya Kenya. Joyce Machuki kurwanya memiso agoteba yayatiga baga chisobo. Okay. Umurugoba omotoereru asegetembe oyakurukunganere onduso maruanga korolia mogitiki jauri inche tingo kirinege tambo kirige serikali koreta quarantine ya Ebola aiga asense ya Kenya. Okay. Albert Okenye agotebanga yaya tako kirinege tambo kirekyo tiga kiro muntu abere sobo. Right, ebine birengere byaya Alpha agotebanga wacha kila mtu atibiwe mahali halipata hiyo Ebola kolendete basa koletwa aiga sense ya Kenya ndochina bange bagendete kulikagega kolende asengencho yebiro ni gonko butulira gabo ekiunga chinsa ibere nande chikoraga chinsa nye ningirane nande ningendre wetera chi SMS chinde elio kwene kinga ayebirengere byago mwanchumo ligereria ngo bisanga tole yemo aseyemo mbiamuno ya bene asengencho wancha gusanga na Getembe TV nabo kuligereria ekiunga chinsa ibere merana nandege kuraga chinsenye ekeroto bwatiranire na Reven Nyaboke kurugalia sensemo yebi manyerio DJ Atsan kwene kirio gine chibicha byagwikire na nchina ko yaretera senchira yoboikerano nigo nkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto genda gutwara oboligere burubya nabwo gendera kwegokeria emiroberi ekeronko gutiga no bosemi bwa Getembe.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, Mangana Mazi, Bangina ninjo.
Mechando inyoria nyakomenyamo tiba mechando inyoria nyakomenyamo tiba salia obwamate. Mechando inyoria nyakomenyamo tiba salia obwamate. Mechando Palibuna momenta maria abantu balia mechando inyori nyakomenyamo tibasalia obwamate emechando ko yakiriga abantu bagochamo kabisa igo kabisa kai na bayarenge iga kai abona ara makongwaya emechando ekunyeria abantu amang'ana amange na mono bali bamenya tamo bono
Bagaka ninjo etembe ninjo dorome mang'ana mazi bangina ninjo